Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save WhatsApp one-time image. Alright, let's begin. So first of all, before opening your WhatsApp chat, you have to make sure to turn off your internet and turn on the airplane mode. Once you do that, you just have to start by opening up your WhatsApp and select that image that you want to go with. And once you have opened that image, you just have to take the screenshot immediately. If you see this screen recording block message, you just have to try downloading any kind of application that's a screen recording overlay, so you just have to install that from your App Store or Play Store. Once you do that, you can simply open your picture again and then you will be able to take the screenshot. So that was the process of how you can save WhatsApp one-time image. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.